Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about machines in the world of luxury touring and compact living on the road, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Tiny Home Camper. This is not just a motorcycle upgrade. It's a bold reimagining of what long-distance travel can feel like when comfort, technology, and smart design come together in one incredible package. At first glance, the Goldwing itself still carries that legendary presence. It's wide, confident, and unmistakably premium. The 2026 model sharpens the lines just enough to feel modern without losing the iconic touring DNA. LED lighting all around, refined aerodynamics, and new paint finishes give it a fresh personality. But the real story begins the moment you notice what's attached behind it. The Tiny Home Camper module is where this concept turns heads. Designed to integrate seamlessly with the Goldwing's frame and power delivery, it feels less like a trailer and more like a natural extension of the bike. Honda's engineers clearly focused on balance and stability, using lightweight composite materials and a low center of gravity to ensure the ride remains smooth and predictable, even at highway speeds or through winding mountain roads. Let's talk about performance, because towing a tiny home is no small task. The 2026 Goldwing comes equipped with its refined 1833cc flat-six engine, now tuned for stronger low-end torque and improved efficiency. The dual-clutch transmission is smoother than ever, making gear changes almost unnoticeable whether you're cruising or climbing. Honda has also upgraded the braking system and electronic stability control to account for the camper, giving riders extra peace of mind when stopping or navigating slippery conditions. But the true magic happens when you park and step inside the tiny home itself. Open the side door and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious interior. This is not a cramped box on wheels. The layout is smart, minimal, and luxurious in a quiet, modern way. On one side, there's a compact kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a small sink, and clever storage cabinets that use every inch efficiently. Opposite that, you'll find a fold-out seating area that converts into a comfortable bed large enough for 2 adults. There's also a compact bathroom module available in higher trims, featuring a cassette toilet and a fold-down shower system. It's not hotel-level luxury, but for something being pulled by a motorcycle, it's honestly. Inside the cockpit, the rider experience is just as futuristic. The 2026 Goldwing features an upgraded infotainment display with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, voice control, and real-time trailer diagnostics. Handling, surprisingly, remains one of this setup's strongest points. Thanks to the redesigned suspension system and electronically adjustable damping, the bike stays planted and composed, even with the camper attached.